This is going to be a video product review of the Roffie white noise sound machine. This sound machine is great for babies, for adults. It has 30 HiFi nature sounds. It is a portable sound machine for sound therapy. You can use this when you are traveling. You can use this at home. You can use this in the nursery to help the baby sleep. It is powered by USB. It comes with a USB cable. It has a night light on it that is adjustable. On the side over here, we have a headphone jack. We have a timer for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or unlimited. We have the power jack, and on the front, we have the volume controls, the power switch, and the adjustments to change the sound. I'm going to plug this into my power bank now, and I'm going to let you hear the different sounds. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description. Make sure you click on this so you can purchase this white noise sound machine from Roffie. Here we have the sound machine. That is the power button. That is the minus, volume down, the plus, volume up. This is the cycling for each one of the sounds, and this will be the 5 sounds in each cycle. I'm going to show you what they are. At the top you can see each one of these is a cycle. We also have a night light. Let's turn on the power first. I'm going to turn down the volume, and I want to show you, now that we have the power, we have the night light. You hold down the center, and it will get brighter to dimmer. You can just tap it. Now let's turn on the volume and get the sounds going over here. So as I said, this will cycle between each group. Let's cycle between each group. That is the left button over here, the arrow down, cycling between each group. And then we're going to listen to each of the 5 sounds. I'm going to go to the next group. Next group, little bird chirping over there. Next group. Sounds like some surf, some water running. Maybe a stream or a brook. Birds and waves crashing. And go to the next one. Thunder. Let's turn that thunder up a little bit. Heavy rain. Unusual sounds. Next group, which I think we already started with. And then you've got your volume control that I showed you. Let's put that to some birds chirping, and we have the night light again. So this is perfect for the nursery, for the nightstand. If you are at work and you want to block out some of the distracting noise, this is a great sound machine. If you're at home and you want to block out the sound from the wife or the kids, this, or even the husband, this is a great product to buy. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description so that you can purchase the Roffie white noise sound machine, 30 nature sounds. It's great for sleeping. It's very relaxing. It's very calming. Take it when you're traveling. Take it when you're at the motel. Take it when you are at work or in the nursery.